Ripple, XRP, the XRPL, and the XRP community. Our time has come. Finally, that time is now. But something strange has occurred. What just happened? Let's talk about it from TradingView 2. There's something weird about this XRP pump. Part 2. Bitcoin dominance is not tanking. Any other time XRP pumped over 100%, it was when Bitcoin dominance was tanking. Check all these gray boxes. So what's fascinating here, guys, when XRP pumped, okay, all these times, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, Altseason always happened, right? Altseason, it was only during Altseason, but this time XRP pumped over 100%, right? Like hundreds of percents, guys. But this isn't really tumbling down, right? It's not like on a free fall, guys, right? It is slightly going down, but not to this degree, right? Not to this degree, or even that degree. So what does this mean? AKA XRP past pumps have been fueled by Bitcoin's liquidity. That hasn't even happened yet. That just means there's money flowing from somewhere else right now, right? Possibly people trying to, or institutions, somebody's trying to front run the ETF listings. Liquidity coming from somewhere, guys. Where could it be? Think about it. It's not coming from Bitcoin, right? It doesn't seem, maybe a tiny amount, a very small amount. So imagine when that happens too. Do you guys see how crazy ballistic it's going to get soon? We haven't seen anything yet, right? And it's already crazy. Again, I've waited 7 years, guys. 7 years for this moment. Literally. Thank goodness. Please like, share, and subscribe. Share, spread the word around, guys, because mainly today's video is mainly about XRP, obviously. Now, I did want to point out, Altseason 2024-2025 has officially kicked off, right? It seems like it's beginning though. Altseason, that is, right? There's like this rising wedge, guys. The target is all the way at 40%, right? Here as well, the top has occurred, it seems as, guys, right? Lots of bearish divs, lots of bearish divergences on the Bitcoin dominance charts, which means when this tumbles down hard, well, imagine that money flowing into XRP as well, right? So there's going to be a lot of liquidity pathways to XRP, okay? A lot of money will be flowing into XRP from different directions. What's fascinating about this pump, guys, is XRP monthly breakout candlestick roughly the same size as the one in 2017, right? 2017 pump, which went like what, 600x, 600, I think it was 600 something x, insanity. The first monthly candle went up 273%. Really odd. Thus far, the monthly candle I think closes, oh, it's after tomorrow. So far, 271%. Look at that, right? So are we repeating this cycle? I think so. Are we going to see 600x? Did it go 600? I don't know how what the percentage, guys. But it did go very ballistic. If we see $100, I'll be very happy, guys. Well, what's the actual price target we could reach, guys? So there's this type of method from Houston, and the green we got, it's like traffic, it's like traffic lights, guys. Green, orange, and red, right? The higher we go, the more risk there is holding XRP. And this is on the monthly, guys, for market cap. I'm pretty sure this orange range, guys, is high double digits, right? Or at least in the double digits. The red range, I think, has to be in the $100 range, right? So could it be possible? Possibly. Again, anything is possible, guys, right? Only one bank just buys XRP off the open market. That's it. $50 overnight. The good thing about all this is that XRP sees search in Google trend searches. XRP is the green line, guys. Look at that. Again, XRP is literally, I told you guys, XRP has bamboo personality. You guys see why holding XRP is very important compared to versus other cryptos? But it's not over yet, because Ripple CEO predicts the crypto market will double in size to $5 trillion by end of 2024. We still have more to go, guys. Right? We still have more to go. It's not done. Why? Because Justin from Watching Guru. New York's crypto regulator nearing approval of Ripple issued stablecoin. This is going live. So Ripple Labs could see their stablecoin receive regulated approval very soon, according to a Fox Business report. New York's top crypto regulator is close to green-lighting a new stablecoin issued by Ripple, which could be launched next month. People close to the matter say the New York Department of Financial Services has indicated to Ripple it will approve the stablecoin. Ripple is reportedly eyeing a possible launch date of December 4th. Oh my lord. Wow. That's what I'm going to hold, guys, when it goes live. If approved, Ripple Labs will be allowed to legally offer stablecoin RLUSD to the public. Right, so this is a huge white swan event, guys. It's interesting that XRP has started pumping and they're launching it right after. Fascinating. As we can see right here, there has been a lot of RLUSD burned, guys. They have been burning a lot of RLUSD. Look at that. There's millions, guys, but it's all getting burned right now because they're going live, it seems as. Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin is gearing up for launch on December 4th. The XRP ledger will see huge benefit from having a secure, highly liquid stablecoin integrated into its ecosystem. What's crazy is, unlike unregulated stablecoins like Tether, USDT, RLUSD is designed to offer a compliant, transparent option that meets growing demand for trustworthy digital assets. Right, so it's going to be on a couple exchanges such as Bitstamp, MoonPay, and Uphold for the rollout of RLUSD, but later on it's going to get on more exchanges, and I hope they do, right, because of more liquidity, and everyone's on different exchanges and whatnot. So things are looking very splendid, guys, right? Things are looking amazing. Ripple's XRP becomes 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, right, surpassing BNB. Again, it's going back for its number 3 spot, guys, right? I do believe good times are on the horizon, as we've been saying. The red alerts have as well. Institutions are noting that the significance of Donald Trump meeting with Ripple. Well, you look at this, right? So I told you guys, there's a narrative forming because the red alerts knew that the Donald Trump pump will be heavenly. Donald Trump and his team have already met with companies such as Ripple, right, and a few others. What will shape the future of cross-border payments? Swift literally tweets out this today. No other day but today. With the market projected to reach $290 trillion by 2030, interoperability is hard but necessary. Moving forward, we will continue to work closely with the financial community to advance use cases across CBDCs and tokenized assets so that value can seamlessly move across borders in whatever form it takes. The XRP ledger will play a huge role in this all, guys. Right? It will play a huge role. How do we know we're at a forefront of a new age, guys? Once in a lifetime shift. They're saying it, and we are too. We have been. You guys see, we're front running everything.
It does feel like we're in the midst of a once-in-a-lifetime shift. The architecture of finance, and by that I mean global currencies all the way down to payments, lending and deposits. It's unbundling bit by bit, and it's rebundling around a new, largely digital architecture. And this happened in trading over the last few decades, and it was an evolution. But what we're seeing now is more of a revolution, with new architectures supplanting old ones. And the way our industry has operated for decades, it's going to be replaced with new ways. And the scale and the speed required to serve our clients, it's of a completely different magnitude. So here at Citi, where we move over $4 trillion globally each day, where we enable clients to issue payments in a...
They're getting ready, and I am too, and have been, because I bought XRP. The digital revolution has already silently happened, right? They already are changing their systems, guys. America will come into play when there's a major problem that needs to be fixed, right? And the solution will be XRP. Just remember that, not financial advice. And India's digital rupee takes shape with Ripple's XRP ledger. India's central bank has partnered with Ripple Labs on digital rupee testing. The alliance will help test the efficiency of the digital rupee. Literally everyone, guys, right? Every country, every nation, everyone will be coming in, joining ship. We have a crazy video here. Now, I don't think this is possible, but listen, just be open-minded. Though I don't think this will happen. Though this type of analogy can be connected to XRP pumping to hundreds of dollars. Let's just say.
Guys, I did the calculations for Ripple, and I'm going to tell you why. A price target of $225,000 is possible. The number one reason is facts. Ripple went from 0.02 cents all the way up to $3, which was 150,000% times, right? Now, all you need to do is done it once. Can it do it again? Why not? Have a look at the partnerships, have a look at the news, and tell me what is not bullish about now. Now, it's mass adoption. It's mass adoption. It's a base now. It's an early base. We're not even an all-time high, right? $1.50 is the price right now. So times $1.50.
So I think what is possible though is thousands of dollars per XRP, right? But I'll be happy with 100, guys. That's all. That's just me. This isn't financial advice. Let's see what happens. But good times are on the horizon. Let's go. But it was so amazing. See ya.